it ain't all the way dark out here, but I thought I'd show y'all. You know, it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera. On camera, it kind of look a little bit yellow. It's not yellow at all. It's all the way white. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Robin. We back in the shop today. So today what we got going down is we are going to work on the front end of the Elko. I ordered some new headlights because the headlights that I have, they look a little bit cheesy to me. They look a little bit cheap. They look like a regular headlight with just a daytime running light on the sides, and they're like real bubbly. It doesn't really look right, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. I wanted a more quality look, and you know, to go with the rest of the car, because the rest of the car is quality, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to go as high as I can possibly go with everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I also picked up a corner light for the Elko. I got it from the same guy that I gave my digital dash that was originally in the Elko too. So shout out to him, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah, like I said, man, we're gonna go ahead and work on the headlights. We are inching towards that 2,500 subscribers, so definitely jump down in the comment section. Let me know that you're here. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button. Hit that bell notification so you get that notification every single time we drop another video. And also when I start to announce when we are going to go ahead and do the giveaway. And how it's gonna work is from the time that I announced when I was gonna do the giveaway on the Flowmaster 44s or whatever, we are going to jot down everybody that has commented up until the point where we're about to give away the Flowmaster 44s, and we're just gonna randomly pick somebody, man. Put everybody's name in a box, and I know it's gonna be a little bit of work just to, you know, write down everybody's, you know, tag or YouTube name or whatever in the comments and stuff like that, but hey, it is what it is, man. It's just how I figured out how to do it. So that's how we are going to announce the winner of the Flowmaster 44s. If you don't want them, it doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? You can grab them, sell them, whatever. It is what it is, but they'll be yours. Yeah, man. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and jump to the video, and I will show you guys what we're doing, and yeah, what we gonna throw on the Elko. All right, you guys, so here are the headlights. Now, I did not order these headlights. They are supposed to be chrome. Unfortunately, they sent me black ones. And the reason why, like I said, I didn't order these is because obviously I ordered the chrome ones. And man, I'm starting to get kind of frustrated with, you know, like all of the terrible customer service. Everybody's getting everything wrong. You go to a restaurant, they get your order wrong every single time. You know what I'm saying? You can't even get the right goods that you want. I mean, they're the same price. I wasn't originally gonna go with black. I was gonna go with chrome on the back part of it, the housing part, but I actually think black might go better, and I'll tell y'all why in a second. And yeah, I'll show y'all where we're at, because I also picked up those corner lights, and that might actually be the reason why the black goes better. So it might be fate that I got the black ones, but I am disappointed because I did order the chrome ones and they sent me the black ones. It just goes to, you know, people not paying attention, man. There's no workers anywhere, and it just kind of sucks. But let's jump over to the car and we will go ahead and get this thing started. All right, y'all, so I had ordered these headlights originally. Now these headlights, you'll have to do like some modification for the bulbs and stuff like that, in which I didn't really feel like doing. Right now there's no bulbs in the actual headlight. They work, but it just needs a little bit of modification. And as you can see, they look a little bit cheesy. Like I said, these daytime running lights, they just look like little beads of light around the side. I want like a solid beam around the side, or around the whole entire light, instead of like this. It kind of looks a little bit cheesy to me. They look a little bit cheap, and they are also cheaper. So, you know what I'm saying? That's why they don't look as quality. But if we go ahead and throw this thing up to me, it looks a lot better, and it's hard to get a clear picture, you know what I mean? But you can definitely see the quality. If you look at the daytime running light, the beam around the entire housing, that orange thing, it looks a lot more quality than just those little buttons on there. So that's why I decided to upgrade it, because I wanted quality. And like I said, the black might go a little bit better than the chrome, just because the whole front end is black. And then I got my side markers, which are orange, right? So you got your clear, your orange, and it just doesn't flow, man. I wanted to find some clear ones so that the whole front end looks like clear and everything is solid. But unfortunately, I couldn't find clear ones. I could find like half orange and half clear, but that's pretty much it. And they wanted like $150 for the set or something like that. And I wasn't gonna do that. So I think black might actually be a little bit better, might actually look better with the orange and the contrast. It might be better. So we're gonna go ahead and slap those in, and then we'll step back and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, it's on there. I got the corner light on there, and that's kind of the reason why, like I said, the black don't really look too bad. But now that I look at it, man, I'm kind of like, I don't know, man. I mean, regardless, whatever, we gonna run with it, because like I said, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not sending it back. I kind of might think chrome might look a little better if you look at this compared to that. I actually kind of like these better, you know what I mean? As far as like the look of them, except for, like I said, that cheesy like beam. Like when the lights are on, it looks like real cheap, and I don't like that. I want the solid beam around. So I mean, it is what it is, man. We gonna rock with how it's going. I think just with the marker lights being orange like that, I think it might look a little bit better. I mean, it sucks that the side marker lights are orange and I couldn't find clear ones, but whatever. I mean, I could smoke them, but whatever. I'm not that picky. But yeah, these will look really, really good when they're on. But as of right now, they're kind of like, eh. But yeah, man. Anyways, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, and then we'll replace this one, throw my side marker light in, and we'll be done with this. And we'll move on to the next job, I guess, man. Dang, that 350 looks so good up in there, man. Whew. It's going LS though. It's going LS though. But anyways, I think it'll look good once it's on. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's on. I got to do some modification with the wires and stuff like that, but you know, we'll get it on. We'll get it on, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. There you have it. Both headlights in. Corner lights finally in. I think they go pretty good with my theme, the black and gold and all that, but whatever. I'm still not a huge fan of them, but that's what we got, man. So, but anyways, I'm gonna start working on the functionality now, and yeah, once I get them working, then I'll throw y'all back on so y'all can see what they look like, and then that'll be it for this install, man. Just something real quick and easy. Right now we just got little touches on the Elco, so until obviously the motor build and stuff. But yeah, so let's get to it, man. Start figuring out these wires, and then it should be plug and play from there. All right, y'all, so that was a super simple install. I'm pretty sure this will be the same for pretty much all the cars, at least Gbodies and whatnot. You have your 3 prongs, so you have your high beams, your low beams, and your ground. That's your regular headlight. And then you have the yellow, which is going to be your turning signal. So this yellow wire is your turning signal, and this red is constant power for your DRL lights. And pretty much what I did was I ran this wire all the way to my fuse box inside the car. I'll show you, because I have constant power to that fuse box down there. I still gotta, you know, find a place for that, but pretty much all the accessories I'm putting on this fuse box, and I have fuses and stuff. The last accessories that I have to put there are just my radio and then my Terminator X when I get it. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm not trying to overload it. I think it's a 12 positive prong fuse box. And then it obviously is protected by fuses and whatnot, so it's all good. This brown wire is for my parking lights, which, you know, you'll no longer have parking lights, which are these. You'll no longer have those, so those are kind of obsolete. And then got my grounds hooked up, and then I wired this side already too, so this side's ready to go. I just gotta put my battery back in, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. It's super simple, man. Easy to take these headlights out. It's just 4 screws up here and then down here, and then you gotta obviously take off your bezels and stuff. And this install will go for pretty much all the G-bodies. Any of the G-bodies that got the 3 prongs. It's pretty much simple, you know what I mean? Really didn't take long, y'all. But like I said, man, we're gonna go ahead and start, you know, throwing this back together, and I'll show y'all what it looks like now that it's all hooked up. All right, y'all, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the day running lights on. I'll show y'all what they look like at nighttime. At nighttime, of course, so stay tuned for that. But they look crazy, man. Let me go ahead and switch on my turn signals. So I don't have a flasher right now, but you can see, you know what I'm saying, switch to orange, the switchbacks. So if my flasher was in there, that would blink. Right now it's not blinking, so it's just staying on. So we definitely got to get that taken care of. But you can see the switchback option. Like I said, the parking lights in the middle, they're usually orange. Those are now obsolete. Everything comes from the headlights. So you got your daytime running lights, your turn signals, all that, and your headlights. And I think it's staying on the high beam, so I have to figure that piece out because yeah, you can see on my dash it's not blinking, so I think there's something wrong with my flasher. But then if I throw my lights on, you can see my high beams pop on. So I don't know why I can't get the functionality of my regular lights, but I think those are all high beams, and it's really hard to see because it's obviously daytime, but you can kind of see that there's a light coming out of there. My bad, the camera cut off. I'm not tripping too bad, but yeah, it looks great, man. The lights are not adjusted either, so they're kind of crooked. That one's obviously crooked, but yeah, here we go. Solid. I think they look great. You know, I wasn't too thrilled about the black. They sent me the wrong kind. I wanted the chrome ones, but I think that might actually look better because the ring is, you know, offsets the black and kind of breaks it up a little bit. So it might be solid. So anyways, yeah, I'll show y'all what it looks like once the sun goes down, because I think they look great. And in the meantime, I'll go ahead and snatch all these wires out. Like I said, it was super simple to, you know, splice into everything. The only thing you have to do is find a constant power wire, you know what I mean? So find a constant power somewhere, and you know, you'll be able to hook everything up. And then the turning signal light comes from that one in there, at least on this L code. You know, I don't know what the other G bodies are like, but I'm assuming they're the same or similar. All right, y'all, it's a little bit darker, man. It ain't all the way dark out here, but I thought I'd show y'all. You know, it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera. On camera, it kind of look a little bit yellow. It's not yellow at all. It's all the way white. You know what I'm saying? But you can kind of see it a little bit better, man. It's not perfect, but it's gonna do the job, man. Like I said, it's, yo, we gonna get the functionality all the way popping. You know, the turning signal is not really like working like that. But it is what it is. I think I just need a flasher because the rear, the tail lights don't blink either. So I think it's the culprit is a flasher, because it was working once upon a time and I didn't do nothing different to it. So we'll get that squared away. But yeah, like I said, it looks a little yellow on camera, but it's like literally white. And then this is, you know, the switchbacks, it should be blinking, but you know, this gives this a nice, super clean look, man. Nice, updated, everything solid, man. This car about to be so fly. You know, got the digital gauges and stuff like that, man. Once I put the stereo in there, man, whew, we gonna be in there like swimwear, man. But yeah, like I said, man, super clean look. Super clean look. And you know, I don't know what else to say, man. I mean, like I said, I ordered the chrome ones. They sent me the black ones. I decided to try it out and it looks good. So, you know, when I'm driving at night or, you know, during the day even, man, you know, because these are daytime running lights on the old school, man, it just looks so clean. It looks so much better than those lights that I put in here at first. And I hadn't even turned the lights on. I just saw them on a couple of other cars and they look kind of cheap. You know, they were a lot cheaper than these, but yeah, man. So there they are. That's how you install these. They look so clean. Grind school, baby. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I just needed to do the headlights on the car, and I think it looks so much more dope that way, man. The lights that I had, like I said, they were a little bit cheesy. They were cheaper. And I had to do a little bit more as far as wiring and figuring out like how the bulbs were gonna go in there and stuff like that. And I just didn't want to do that, man. And so I ordered the ones with the daytime running lights, and they look so much better, man. It makes the car look so much more modern, and it brings it into 2022, which is what I'm trying to do, man. No, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to rhyme or nothing, but that's what I'm trying to do, man. I'm trying to bring it into 2022. I'm trying to do what I got to do with this Elko thing, man. And I'm just trying to be different, man. I'm just trying to make my Elko one of the best Elkos on the planet. And I hope I'm doing that really well. That's because the trash can's right there. But anyways, like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Keep watching the content because we got so much more in store. We got so much coming with this Elko, man. And I'm enjoying every moment of it, man. Every time I do something to this car, I feel better and better and better and better every single time I do something to the car, because with every step that I'm taking, man, I'm elevating it. So, but anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Those headlights are super dope to me. Let me know what y'all think. Jump down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think, man. I always appreciate y'all's opinion and y'all's feedback. So anyways, man, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.